How to schedule text messages on Android so that it can be delivered later on. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can actually schedule text messages on Android so that they can be sent later on. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, let's say that you simply only just want to schedule a text message so that you can actually send them later, and it will automatically get sent later when you don't have the time to send it. So by default, you already have this feature on many of the devices these days, because on my Samsung as well, we already do have this feature. We don't need to download any third-party apps. So in order to do this and conduct this feature, I will simply open up the default messaging app. So this is not a third-party app, this is my default messaging app. And once I open up my messaging app, let's say I want to send a message to somebody and I want to schedule it as well. All I have to do is simply press and open up a certain chat on whom I want to actually schedule a message to. So basically you can see this option right over here, and if you look at the bottom, you can see this little plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. So all you have to do is simply tap on this option which says plus icon, and right over here you can see this option which says schedule message. So right under the quick response and beside subject and above the video section, you can see schedule message. So all you have to do is tap in schedule message over here, and right over here you can see it says me to actually select a time format. So basically you could go ahead and select a format right over here, and then you could tap on the done button. Now what you have to do is over here we have to simply enter our text messages. So once we enter our text messages on this particular box, let's say we want to schedule this, you can see the time over here. If you want to remove it, you could tap on this icon, but to send it, simply tap on the send button. And right over here you can see this particular timer, and this is going to be sent tomorrow, which is this October. So basically this is it. This is how you can actually schedule messages on Android so that it can be delivered later on. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.